I got me my ear humidifier, otherwise called, it's also a diffuser, and it's high miss output, innovative design, automatic shut off, and whisper quiet. All right. I got this for my baby. My baby's 4 months old. I got this for my baby because she's been stuffy, and I think it's maybe the ear, because it can be a little dusty. So the first thing here, we have the cover in here, and here is it right here. Ooh. All right, guys, so here it is. All right, and as always, the manual. So this is what comes inside of the box. So I always love to take a quick peep in the manual to make sure. So you have the nozzle, the water tank, the stopper, the unit base, the on-off and misadjust knob, and the indicator light. All right. All right. So, oh, the stopper. Okay. So, is it? Oh, turn it this way. I'm trying to figure out how this locked in, because I don't see it locking. Just keep pushing back up. Let me figure this out, guys. Oh, the stopper. I guess I'm supposed to turn.